global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. This is breaking, this is interesting. Wahala everywhere in Rivers State as we speak over this issue of who holds sway, who holds the power, and who is the rightful exco of PDP Rivers State. As we speak, the legal arm of PDP have spoken. PDP Rivers State, one of the factions, have spoken and had a press release to that effect, telling everyone, all and sundry, and even the opposing faction, their next line of action, and each one of them claiming that they're the one that brought in the security to the secretariat. All of that you're going to see in this press release that was made, and after now, I will quickly give you an update of what the other faction claimed, and both of them seem to be standing tall on their right. Let's listen to this press release that will tell you what the second and the other faction is saying, and that is countering this particular faction. The question now is, who do we believe? Watch this video.
PDP. Let me join the state chairman and members of the state Executive Committee of PDP to welcome all our members to this press conference. We thank you for coming in your numbers. Now, the State Executive Committee, led by Honorable Aaron Chukwemeka, DSSRS, and our state leader, Chief Barrister Fubara and Wike, and entire members of PDP in Rivers State, we are law-abiding. We are law-abiding citizens, and we cannot take laws into our hands. Now, on the 13th of January, we saw from social media that there was a judgment, and following that social media report, we rushed to the court. As a lawyer, the first step is to apply for the record of proceedings and the judgment in that matter. We have taken that proper step to apply for the record of proceedings and the judgment on the matter to enable us to know what actually transpired in the matter. Up till now, as I'm speaking, addressing lawful citizens in Rivers State who are members of PDP, we have not received the judgment. We have not seen the judgment in this matter to enable us advise ourselves on the proper steps to take, which is to appeal against the judgment. The record of proceedings in the matter, we have not received anyone. What we just got is what came from social media. And reading from the statement of claim, everything in that statement of claim is about caretaker committee that has elapsed. Caretaker committee that has elapsed. If you see this statement of claim, you will see where I took time to underline every paragraph of the statement of claim. All has to do with caretaker committee. There is nothing dealing on the state working committee or the congresses conducted in the states, in local government and world levels. There is nothing. There is nothing. The reliefs they are asking for, they ask for in this matter are all declaratory reliefs. So where on earth are they coming to the state office to take possession of the office? It is not possible, they cannot do that. So we are just appealing to all of you to remain calm. We are equal to the task. Now, if you go outside, you will see police all over. The reason police are here is that we applied to the CP asking for police protection of the facilities in the secretaries. And this is what every lawful citizen will do. And this is the legal step we will take. We are written to CP, and that is why you can find CP here. We have also applied to the courts for the record of proceeding and for the judgment to enable us take the proper legal steps in the matter. Up to now, we have not received any judgment. So we are appealing to all of you to be calm. To be calm. The law is on our side. All the procedures taken to have this state exco on board are all lawful. During the election, INEC was here to observe. DSS, they were here to observe. So all the legal agencies that ought to be present at the election. National officers of the party came here to conduct the election. So they were all here. So we have not taken laws into our hands. There is no way, nowhere this guy's code will be removed. So we'll meet them in court of appeal.
All right, welcome back. From all of what he has said, you know that the faction that spoke right now is the faction that is loyal to Nyesom Wike, and they agreed unanimously amongst them that their leader, their political leader, their structural leader is Nyesom Wike. And according to PDP's constitution or written constitution, the governor of the state automatically becomes the leader of that, the leader in that state of that for the party. But Nyesom Wike is not the governor of the state, so why should he still be the leader of that party? That is question mark number one. Now, the second question mark is the fact that they are laying strong claims that the judgment that they saw, they didn't see it, they were not served the judgment. They saw it on social media, they downloaded it, and he, as a lawyer, has gone through the proceedings and discovered that they were referred to caretaker committee, and they are not a caretaker committee, that they were duly elected. Now, I know that the reason why Robinson Ewo and the likes, the other faction, loyal to the constitution of PDP and possibly loyal to the sitting governor of the state, trying to correct the anomaly, is the fact that they believe that whatever they held was not a Congress, because you cannot you cannot build on nothing and expect it to stand. There was a court injunction barring them from holding congresses, both at the ward level, at the local government level, and even at the state level, of which they ignored, totally ignored the court judgment, court order, went ahead with the Congress, which everyone believed that shouldn't hold. That's like, abuse of processes, and claimed that election and that Congress held, and it is binding. To start with, Nyesom Wike is not even the sitting governor, so why should he be presiding over a Congress when the sitting governor should be doing that? Now Robinson Ewo believes that cannot be recognized as Congress, so he believes that those people that are standing right now are caretakers. He cannot be recognizing what is not even being recognized by law. So that was why he said those caretaker committee members. Now mentioned the likes of Aaron Chukwuemeka as a caretaker chairman. So the lawyer is like, no, our Congress were held well. We don't have caretaker committee. What we have is Congress. The law sees you as caretakers. In the eyes of the law, that Congress never held. So they can't possibly be recognizing you by saying that the Congress held was null and void. He's saying the people standing there are caretakers. We want to now raise the proper caretaker that will usher in the real Congress people, where all and sundry, where the right people would, contest, and proper elections and proper voting takes place, where Nyesom Wike should not be organizing it, based on the written constitution of the PDP nationwide. Olugunogba already, Debo, the National Publicity Secretary of PDP, has already recognized the Robinson Ewo-led faction. Check our playlist, you get to see where he took time and explained it all. Now, the question now is, they have even gone as far as saying they will appeal it, and they also lay claim that they actually brought in security to, guard the place, ensure there's no breakdown of order, and they went further to say they even invited the CP, that the CP is here. The other claim also that they have also called on the security to take charge. So both of them are laying claim that they have brought in security. I really will not doubt that, because all you need to do is to go to another division of the police station. They will give you security agents, a personnel. The other group, the other faction can go to another police station. They will give them another faction, another security personnel. So yes, both of them can actually bring the same policemen but different division to come and man it, all of them protecting themselves. But it's good to note that it didn't degenerate to anything unusual. But let's say it plays out that they have decided to make an appeal. We'll keep you posted as more information on this comes, and that's going to wrap it up. Let's visit that conversation. Have a nice time.